61A lecture number 25. Announcements. Homework 7 is posted and it's due this Thursday. It involves a new programming language that you'll learn today, and it includes an anonymous mid-semester survey about the course. By completing the survey, you'll get a special code that you put into your homework submission so that we know that you filled out the survey. Midterm 2 has been graded. Here's a link to the exam, a solution, and a walkthrough video created by the course staff. You're welcome to ask questions. I do recommend going through the exam, reading the rubrics, and trying to understand how to solve the problems and how you got scored. If you notice anything that was graded incorrectly, please file a regrade request on Gradescope. I would like to make sure that everybody gets the points that they earned. And finally, I'm happy to announce the first ever CS61A Project Fair. This is a new part of the course. If you're working on anything outside of the regular assignments, such as interesting extensions to a past project or some independent project, and you want to share that with other members of the 61A community, we'll have a fair. I'll be there along with the course staff. All of you are invited, and how it will work is that anyone who wants to present their work will be given a little bit of table space. You can bring a laptop, and folks will be walking around talking to different project groups. When a few people come up to you and ask about your project, you can show them a little demo, describe what you've done, or present your work in any other way you choose. You don't get any course credit for doing this, but it is a good experience to talk about whatever you're working on, and you might get some new ideas or get to know people who you might want to work with in the future. So think about any kind of independent project you've already started or you might want to start, any kind of extension of the course material, or anything else that might be interesting to 61A folks, and sign up to participate in the first ever 61A Project Fair. See Piazza for details.